Hey man, it's your boy Ryan, man. We back with another video. So I think I got a misfire. Yesterday I was starting up the car, you know, just chilling with the homie. And then I got, damn, I forgot about that though.
Oh, you're recording? I forgot about that.
This is my old 2012 S550. I sold it to my homie. All right, like I was saying before my boy Coil started his car, I got a flashing check engine light the other day, and then it was like a steady check engine light. And then I ran the code. I'll put the code up right here somewhere, like up here. And then it said it's like a misfire on bank 6 or cylinder 6. All right, the order of the cylinders is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it's like 5, 6, 7, 8. So number 6 is like back here. And then we went to O'Reilly's. We got this. It's the ignition coil and the spark plug. So we're about to replace it. We put the hood in the service mode, so it's like all the way up, like 90 degrees basically. Just to recap, we have the hood open. We took off this plastic piece right here, the air intake hose right here, this plastic piece that goes on this side as well. Air housing, it just pops up, but just careful because there's a clip right here for like a wire, a sensor. So you can leave it plugged in, just move out of the way. And then there's this plastic or rubber piece that goes over like the spark plugs and everything, or over the coils. You just pop that open, no bolts or nothing. Just comes out. And then you have access to 4 cylinders on this side. This is cylinder number 5, number 6, number 7, and number 8 down there. Number 6, we had a misfire. I'll put the code again for the check engine light. And then this just comes out like this. You push it down, and then it slides out. This is the new spark plug. Part number is right here. And this is the new ignition coil. So it turns out it is not an E15 or an E30. It's more so like an E10. It's just the one that we don't have. So we're gonna go to like O'Reilly's and buy it. But check out his car though. Damn. Shit, hella wet. We found it at O'Reilly's. It's at E8. So it's actually an E8. We just came back from O'Reilly's and we got the brother doing the labor. I don't think it's on. We got 1.
All right, pull it and twist it.
All right, now we just gotta like pull it up. All right, the bolts are out. We just gotta pull it up and twist it because we don't want the boot to snap. All right, we're trying to pull it out. Good news and bad news. Good news, we got the old one out. Bad news, it kind of broke off into like 2 pieces. This goes in here. And this is the new one. This is the new one right here. So I guess like that small rubber piece is still stuck in there. I think we have to try to get it out because that rubber piece in there is not here no more. This is how it looks.
Yeah, it's definitely just spinning on that rubber piece.
Yeah, there's no rubber piece in there.
Yeah, I'm touching it right now with the thing.
With the rubber piece?
Yeah.
It's not coming out?
Spark plug's right there, and I guess there's a rubber boot stuck around it. I gotta get that rubber boot out.
So I can try to pick that out for cylinder number 6. I bent the pick a little bit more so it could be angled like this.
All right, we're back. The updated tool. It's coming out. Oh, yes, sir. It's out. Now just take this out. Y'all see it?
Now we can access the spark plug using this concoction right here. Yes, sir. Spark plug is coming out. The new one's about to go in. Oh shit.
Try to take it out.
The extension?
Yeah, just grip the back and I'll pull this back.
Ooh, we got it.
Hella oil on that bit.
Is it bad?
It's actually not bad. It's not too bad.
You got it back.
Yeah, looks about right.
Now it's time to install the new coil. It should go like this. Yes. It'll go over it. Oh, yep. Just like that. Just gotta press it in.
Your S550 broken.
Damn. Now that it's in, you should just feel it like snug in. There's no clicking noises or nothing. So it just snugs in there. And then 2 bolts, the E8 torque spits. These ones right here. Over it right here. Where is it? There it is. Like that. You just thread it in. And then thread it in. Over there. Yeah. Now we're just tightening it. Both bolts. Okay, that should be good. Now this side. No! Alright, so I'm still trying to find that bolt. And my boy's coming back. Still can't find the bolt, but I'm gonna just go ahead and reconnect this. And oh my god. Yeah, that's not going nowhere. Okay, so everything's tied back up. We're gonna put everything back in the reverse order. So it should just go like that. All right. And then that clip goes over that thing right there. This one right here. Actually, let's move this. It's hard to do with one hand. Slide this in here. All right, so this is in. Putting the clips back on this. That just clicked in. And then this goes right here. Look. And then this one is gonna go in here. Everything's back in. Looks OEM. Now we're about to start it up. And then drive it up on these ramps because I think I lost one of the bolts. I got an 8mm on the creeper thing. So I can take off the skid plate so I can get my lost bolts. Right here. Oh, I see it's right there. Just gotta get the magnet now and then get the tool right up there. Got it. Nice. Now I just have to tighten it. We are all done. Engine is running smooth. No shaking, no vibrations. And most importantly, no check engine light. Nothing on the dash. So we're good.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?